beautiful people. Welcome to Tanisha's Locs, Beauty Tips and Potpourri. I'm with the lovely Safia here, and we just want to get an update on what is going on with her head. Okay? It's looking a little crazy compared to how y'all saw it last week. I think she might be in need of a little something, but we're trying to find out what's happening with her. I just finished a quick video on how to patch up a little fat segment of your lock. I already uploaded that. I'm uploading this the same day. We are here and we're taking advantage of this beautiful life force energy, enjoying life. Safia, what do you have today to say about the beauty of living?
About, huh?
She lives in the house with me. Safia, what do you have to say today about the beauty of living, baby?
Life is beautiful, guys.
You don't look like life is beautiful.
My throat hurts.
What happened to your throat, girl?
I was sneezing a lot yesterday, and today my tonsils are swollen, which is why I sound so congested.
Okay, so you need some nutrition to help give you a bump up.
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk about these locks. Okay, what's going on with her locks?
Guys, they look
now
crazy.
Today they're looking a little fuzzy and stuff. Turn your head this way. They're looking a little fuzzy. You can see the fuzz up in here. Turn around this way, Safia. What's going on that you are in such great complaint about? If you could come closer to the camera, that will be wonderful.
Well, they got rained on.
Come closer to the camera,
That's
baby.
kind of close, Mom.
Oh, closer,
I don't want them all up in my face. Okay.
Silence of the lambs. Come on, baby. Come closer.
Mommy, that is close.
Oh.
It's right there, look.
If I said get closer, I mean get closer. You didn't put your teeth together for your kids.
Guys,
and
I went to Six Flags, and my hair got rained on twice. And it got completely soaked when it got rained on. And ever since then, my hair started getting hard and frizzy. Like, there's all these loose hairs in here, like random loose pieces. I don't know where they even belong. Like, what is this or where does it belong?
That's part of the journey, baby.
And then there's all these loose, like this little thing up here. And then there's pieces coming out. And it's just really irritating me. And I'm not happy with it. But I know this is the journey. Y'all gonna comment down below.
Tell her to stay the journey. She had the nerve to say before we started the video, I'm getting ready to take these things out. And I'm like, baby, that's part of the journey.
It just looks really frizzy.
Sisterlocks 2018 told me yesterday her daughter took her Sisterlocks out. She went out of town to take them out. So I was cracking up. I thought that was hilarious. You guys got to check her channel out too. Sisterlocks 2018. Yes, Safia, this is a stray. And
I don't like this whole area right here. I don't like because they're so little compared to the rest of the head. It's really uneven sizes. Look how much littler these are than the rest of my head.
I don't think, baby, I really don't think they're little.
The rest of my head is way bigger.
It's just this part right here where it's unclear. There's some. Oh, I see what happened. This got. I don't know. This is a whole lock unto itself, Safia.
What, this?
Yeah, with some hair that's mixed in
here.
Yeah,
and it's just completely loose.
I don't know. I think she's going to have to look at that for you. I think it's blurry, so she's Friday's going to have to look at that for you.
I don't know.
But anyway, it's not a reason to run away from the beauty. Those things are going to be gorgeous later on. Just stick with it. They're beautiful. You know it's a transition.
And the back still looks like coils.
This isn't even the worst of what you're going to deal with. So, girl, but you see how much shorter it looks than even from last week. So it's really kind of shrunk up some, but it's still beautiful. Thank you, Safia. Let's say thank you for the lovely Safia. Please give her a shout out, guys, and tell her to stay the path.
And guys, please subscribe. I just hit 500 like a week and a half ago. I'm on the way to 600 now with 550 something subscribers. Please get me to 600.
Oh, and for those of you who watch
the real
ask
Ronnie.
Safia if she's still on her fast. Safia, what happened to your fast and how long can you make it? Could you do a quick update?
Guys, it was not the move.
She said it was not the move. What happened, baby?
It was not the move. I was on, I think, like almost a full, like
the end of
36
your second
hours.
day.
It was like 36 hours, and I just couldn't do it anymore. I was tired.
Even though I begged her, she had me up at 11:15 begging her. She had brought up the steps a can of Campbell's soup and was trying to eat that. And I did all that I could to try to encourage her. I did everything possible.
I was hungry. I felt like I was really going to pass out.
Baby, didn't you know you were going to be hungry too?
Comatose.
No, comatose. Didn't you know you'd be hungry, baby?
I didn't know it was going to be that bad.
So what are your plans for your health?
I'm not doing a fast anytime soon.
I thought you said you were going to try to go back and get back started in a few days.
I think I need to give myself some nutrients first.
And what are you doing to move towards nutrients?
I've been eating salads every day.
How have you been eating those salads, the lovely Safia?
You've been making them.
Yeah, and see, even while on my fast yesterday, I cooked a delicious, huge, how many things were on that plate that Adil had? He had some whole grains and quinoa. He had some shrimp and salad scallops that were sauteed, some fish, some sweet potatoes. Anyway, I was doing the cooking and not even disturbed at all with the cooking because I was in ketosis.
What was it I had yesterday though that made you hungry?
KETOSIS. What did you have? When?
Oh, the soup. I made the soup.
Oh, I came into her room late last night and all I could smell were onions because she added to the Campbell soup lots of cayenne, garlic, and onions, which I love. I love garlic, onions, and cayenne, but especially onions. And so when I came into the room, I could smell those onions and
Let's just talk about these little things here that also kind of irritate me.
What?
These little random balls.
Please tell her the balls are part of the journey.
And
I told her not to pull them off.
All over.
Safia, but do you understand that that's part of how the hair is going to lock? That's not a ball. That's a curl.
I don't want the stubby ends.
What do you mean you don't?
I want these curlies.
Oh, you want to keep the curls.
I want them to stay out. That's why I don't want the balls.
Oh, then maybe you need to do some research because I don't know about you, but what I did was take my ends out. Most of them stayed out anyway. My hair didn't lock on all the ends anyway, but the ones that did, I would just kind of take them out with a little push pin for those of you who like curly ends. Okay, lovely Safia, I want to thank you for your time. I want to thank you for being a part of this life experience. I want to thank you for being lovely. I want to thank you for being respectful. I want to thank you for being a wonderful, energetic human being. I want to thank you for making me have to take you to the movies and bust up my videoing and my groove. I want to thank you for...
guys, I never go out. I never go out and have fun.
Mopping the floor.
I just would like to tell you guys I'm a homebody, but I'm going out to the movies today.
What are you going to see? Ooh,
Ma.
The crazy movie Ma. So to Ma! Thank you for joining Tanisha's Locks Beauty Tips Potpourri. And hopefully you will get something out of this video. If nothing but we're having a good day today, right, Safia? Mm-hmm. And we don't always have good days because, well, every day is a good day, but we don't always have a day where we engage our creativity in order to problem solve. But we're having a wonderful day today, right, Fifi? Mm-hmm. But you do seem a little kind of low vibrational. What's going on? Are you trying to feed off my energy?
My throat hurts.
You're trying to be an energy vampire.
I don't even know if I feel like going anymore.
Oh my gosh, girl, you're going out because you need to get out and get some sun. Sleep. I don't think you get enough sun. That's part of the problem. You're not getting enough vitamin D. Anyway, we're going to sign off.
Wait!
What?
You have to put my YouTube in the description.
The Real Ronnie.
Last time they said they couldn't, you didn't tag it so they couldn't find it.
How am I supposed to put it in? I'm not editing this video, baby.
You just have to put it in the description. When
okay,
you type
well, you got to. You sit here and then, baby, you put it in the
description.
And guys, it's The Real Ronnie.
What if you guys said I look 13? Guys, I'm 17.
She's been counting how long it's going to take her to get to 18 the day she turns 17.
I'm a senior.
I mean, yeah, the day she
turns 17. Not a freshman. I'm a senior. I'm almost out. Okay, love you guys.
The Real Ronnie, R-A-N-I.
Pray for my throat.